Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make an XP farm in Minecraft Bedrock. Building an experience farm is a fantastic way to level up quickly, allowing you to enchant your gear, repair tools, and combine items with ease. Not only will you gain valuable experience points, but you'll also collect useful mob drops like bones, arrows, and rotten flesh. This guide focuses on a simple, efficient design perfect for any player. Your first step is to find a naturally generated mob spawner, typically found in underground dungeons. These spawners can produce zombies, skeletons, or spiders. Once located, you'll need a few essential items: 2 to 4 water buckets, plenty of solid building blocks like cobblestone, some signs or slabs to control water flow, and torches for temporary lighting. For automated loot collection, hoppers and chests are highly recommended. Begin by lighting up the spawner room with torches to prevent mobs from spawning while you work. Expand the room to a 9x9 block area, ensuring the spawner is centered. Make the room 3 blocks high above the spawner. Next, dig 1 block deep trenches around the room's edges, directing water streams towards a single corner or central point. From this point, dig a drop chute about 22 blocks deep. This fall height will weaken mobs for easy one-hit kills. At the bottom of your drop chute, construct a small 3x3 killing chamber. Place slabs at head level within this chamber, allowing you to safely attack mobs without them reaching you. Once everything is built, remove all torches from the spawner room to enable mob spawning. Mobs will then fall, take damage, and be ready for you to defeat them, quickly accumulating experience and valuable drops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.